How to make online payment for postpaid. Paying your Idea postpaid bill is now so easy. Simply log on to our website www.ideacellular.com to pay your Idea bill. You can pay using your credit or debit card or also directly through your bank account with complete flexibility. You can make your payment in different ways with or without registering on the website. Let's take a look at these options. The first option is through Express Bill Pay. You will find this on the home page itself. Once you click on Express Pay, you will be directed to this page. Under My Idea number, enter the 10-digit Idea mobile number for which you want to make a payment, and post re-entering the number, enter the amount you wish to pay. The minimum payment amount should be ₹100 and you can pay a maximum of ₹25,000 per transaction. Now enter a valid email ID. This is not mandatory. However, it is recommended as the payment receipt will be emailed to this ID. Enter the CAPTCHA displayed on the page and click Submit. Reconfirm the payment details and you will be directed to the payment gateway. Select your preferred payment mode from the available options and update the required details followed by Make Payment. You can also save the payment mode details to save time the next time you wish to pay. Once you go through these steps, the payment will be debited from your account and credited to your Idea account. You can also make a payment through the My Account tab. Log in with your registration details. This will take you to your account details where you can also see the bill amount to be paid. Click on Pay Now and then enter the amount to be paid. You will now be directed to the payment gateway where you can simply choose your mode of payment. Enter the required details followed by the password and your payment is done. For more videos on Idea Video Assist, please subscribe to the Idea Cellular Limited channel.